Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I am sharing all of the kits and stickers that I'm using in the month of April. So I have two planners that I use, my Plum Paper Vertical Priorities, which is my everyday, like daily planner. And then I've got my Sadie Stickers Memory Planner, which is just a blank slate. It's my sticker planner. So let's go in that order. We're going to start with my everyday planner, my Plum Paper, and what I'm going to use for each of the 4 weeks. By the way, I keep track of my kits on a Google Sheet. I will leave a template down in the description if you want a link to that. So let's start with the first week. I've got Lexi Kylie Designs. This is called Garden Breeze, and this is one of her journaling kits. So here is the 2-page kit. It's so pretty. I just love this, and I think it's going to be really fun to work with. I haven't used one of her journaling kits. I think they're new to her shop. But I think this is a good mix of like decorative elements and then some more functional things that I can definitely throw in there. So that's going to be super cute. Then I've got Honey by Saucy Stickers Co. This is so pretty. It's definitely like April vibes. It's just very soft and I love that shade of green. It's just beautiful. And again, her kit has like that kind of balance that I'm looking for with like decorative things and some more functional things. So really, really cute. The next one, this is for Easter week. I've got these 2 pages. This one from According to Allie, it's called Spring Blooms. It's really pretty graphic flowers. And then I thought it would be a fun contrast to do this sheet from Alicia Michelle XO. And it's got these bunnies with the text behind it. It's really cute. It looks like it's from like Raggedy Ann books. And then I like these graphic flowers. I thought they would be good like complements of each other, but also like give lots of good contrast. I'm just really excited to see how this turns out. I don't know like what kind of washi that I will pull if I do at all, but I will make that decision when I get there. And then for the last week, in a completely different direction, I've got this sheet from According to Allie. I didn't know when I was going to use this, but I saw it the other day and I was just like, now is the time. I just got to use it. So this is called Inked True Crime. It's just really pretty, but also like fun. It's got that like old school tattoo style. And then I thought I would add in this Stay Weird sticker in there somewhere just to kind of just add a little bit more. I'm going to have to figure out what kind of washi and like other things that I'm going to pull with this. But I think that will be kind of fun. Like these are easy to use, like these little kits, because everything is there for you, but it's kind of fun to mix it up and push myself creatively. So that's going to be for that last week. Now let's go to my Sadie Stickers Memory Planner. We're going to begin with the April monthly kit. So I had a hard time finding a kit that I really wanted to use. And this one is really pretty and very different. It's not very springish, which is kind of what I was looking for. I didn't want it to be like too light and bright. So this is called Book Club, and I chose the rose gold foil overlays, and it's called, yeah, just said that, it's called Book Club, and it just is really pretty. So here are the covers that go across the top of the spread, and it's very dark, but then I like the colors that she chose for the labels and things because it will bring in kind of that spring lightness. But I just love this artwork. She had a weekly kit, I think, that had this artwork, and I wasn't able to use it, so I just kind of leaned into the monthly spread, or the monthly kit for this. Just really pretty. The sidebar is really cute with the little bicycle. I love that. I really like the patterns, too. They're kind of like, not necessarily juvenile, but like kind of classic, like giving me a little bit 80s vibes, but like in a homey way. And in a good way, for sure. So I just really, really love this, and I can't wait to use it. I think it's going to be really pretty. For the first week of the month, I'm going to use this by Caress Press called Busy Bee, and I love this artwork. It's really pretty. I love bee artwork. I've mentioned that before. And this one has the color combo that I just love. So this is the mini kit version, by the way, in matte. And it's just really, really pretty. This is very like fancy, more fancy than I am, but I'm just was really drawn to the colors and the like bee patterns and things. I really like the dark with the light colors. And then this is what just really brought it in for me, was these patterns are just so pretty. The bottom washi is gorgeous. I really like that flat lay too. And then here is the deco, so cute. I'm just really excited to use this because I just have a thing for that bee art. Okay, next is Scribble Prints Co. This is called Home. I think this was like a mystery kit revamp. Whoa, got a little freebie there. Okay, so this is the mini kit, and I just, again, was drawn to the colors of this. I think it's really pretty. Plus, I've been kind of like in this cleaning mode lately, so I feel like this is a good like way to show that. So here are the full boxes. I thought about saving this for the summer when I do some redecorating, but I just kind of want to use it now because it's very like springish to me. Really pretty. This is the old format, by the way. It is different now. The patterns are really cool. The bottom washi, I love this box too. That's cool. And then you get a little freebie that matches it perfectly. So that is Home by Scribble Prints Co. For Easter, I have Hop In by Caress Press. This one's just really cutesy, which is not usually my vibe, but I think for Easter, I can just kind of let that slide a little bit. So here are the full boxes, again in matte and mini. I love this color. So pretty. And then we've got just full light and airy colors. I like the neutrals with the kind of hot pink, or the light. It's not really a hot pink. It's a lighter hot pink. And the kind of seafoam color. Well, really, it's more of like an aqua. I'm not really good with my colors today, apparently. But I just like the combo. And then I love these patterns. I think they're so adorable. I definitely want to color block this week. I think that'll look cute. That is just so cute. I love the simplicity of it and the repeating pattern. It looks like wallpaper, but like sophisticated wallpaper, and that's cute. And then I think I have to do the deco across the top because that's adorable. It may be too big though. We'll have to decide when I do it. And then here are the extra boxes. So you just get like these two right here in different skin tones. So that is Hop In from Caress Press. And last, we have Lemon and Honey Studio. This is called Keep Growing. Now, when I ordered this, I realized when I got it that I didn't order like the normal sheets that I get, but I'm going to try to make it work because I don't think I need all those sheets for my memory planning. I think I can do it with just these guys. So I've got the full boxes here. I love that she does 9. Because that's what I use in my memory spreads. And then I have the washi and date covers sheet, which this has to be redesigned because it's like full washi and then you get the numbers too. And I don't remember that in her past kits. I really like the patterns in this. It's different from these other ones and that's kind of fun. I did add on the extra boxes page and then I've got the glitter headers. And then I think I'll just pull in from my stash functional boxes and of course character stickers to like fill out the spread. But when I got this, I was like, did I forget to order? And I don't know what I was thinking at the time. I think I'm just going to experiment with this and see what happens. So that is all of the stickers that I'm going to use. All of it. I don't think I'm going to make any changes. Every once in a while I'll make like little changes, but I think I'm good. So that is everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know down below, what is your lineup? What are you excited about in your lineup for April? I'm curious. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye.